Welcome to the 7th episode of Unity Game Development for Complete Beginner series. In the previous episode, we learned about scripting in Unity, what are Unity scripts and how we create and use them. In this episode, we will learn about how to add material colors to game objects in Unity. By the end of the video, you will be able to add and change colors of 3D objects in Unity. In the previous episode, we used some of the built-in Unity 3D models, but they were all in gray color, so we can change their color, and this tutorial I'm going to show you how. Here we have two 3D objects and we will add color to them. In the Assets folder, create a new folder and name it Materials. Inside Materials folder, right-click, click on Create, click on Material. Rename this material to Red. With this material selected in the project window, go to Inspector, click on this white color picker option and choose red color from this window for your material. After the color is selected, just drag and drop this material directly to your first 3D object in the scene window. Now you can see the color of this object to change to red. Let's make a second material for the second object and rename it to green. Select the green color and drag and drop it to the second game object in the scene view or on the name of the object in the hierarchy. Now you can see both of the 3D objects have their own color. Now select one of your objects in the inspector window and in the hierarchy you can see a material component is added to the game object. If we make a new game object, you will see its default material is gray in color and you cannot edit its value. But if you look at your colored objects, these colors can be changed from the inspector. Now select the new game object and drag and drop one of your material onto it into the inspector. This is how we change the color of our 3D objects in Unity. That was all for this episode. In the next episode, we will learn how to move a simple cube with arrow keys in Unity.